Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, just like a muscle. If you never train it, it stays weak. Most people believe others are just naturally confident, but the truth is, confidence comes from action. Every time you face discomfort, speak up or push yourself a little further than yesterday, you're strengthening that muscle. Start small. Hold eye contact when you talk. Straighten your posture when you walk into a room, and speak with intention instead of rushing. These small wins stack up, and each one tells your brain, I can handle this. The secret is that confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after. You don't wait until you feel ready. You act, even while nervous, and that's how growth happens. So, stop comparing yourself to someone else's highlight reel. Confidence is built brick by brick, rep by rep. The sooner you start, the stronger you'll get.